Hello everybody and welcome back. Some big updates today. Oh yes, the DareDeviler sign has been installed. And would you look at that sign? Ain't she a beaut? Not only that, but check this out. The biplane has arrived. They are currently just installing the wings. They're attaching them to the fuselage. And look at that, it says the Daredeviler on the side. Wow. And technically speaking, it is a terrible day today. The sky is filled with wildfire smoke. The air quality is the worst in the world, but we've got the sign and the biplane, so all's good. And we've mentioned this already, but I don't think I've actually shown it, but all of the Frankenstein modified support beam pieces have been fully painted. And look at this. There are lights on inside the Fighter Town funnel cake shack. What does it mean? I wonder if they're planning on opening this around the same time the Daredeviler ride opens. Well, with the sign in place and the biplane being set up, all that's left is the testing, which makes me believe that this ride will be open sooner than later. We got a guy in a suit over there. Might be El Presidente. Well, this is pretty awesome. I think this ride's gonna open real soon. My money's on within the next week. The second wing is being installed right now. Looks like they put the wing on the wrong side. I guess this one's supposed to go on the same side. Mistakes happen. And it is surprisingly busy today. Over by the old chicken shack, we have some new signs on the construction fences that say we are preparing for your future enjoyment. Although it doesn't look like they're actively doing any work on it today. Even though it's probably not good for my health, I think I'm gonna go on WindSeeker to get a POV from the top and see what this city looks like when it's covered in smoke clouds from the wildfires. And if this is bad for my health, this double sucks for me because this ride terrifies me as well. Well, that was terrifying, especially because the entire city looks like it's in some sort of post-apocalyptic wasteland. I wonder how many years that shaved off of my life. Looks like Sledgehammer is unfortunately closed again today, but they are doing some tests on it, which is a good thing, I think. Another short wait time for Behemoth, 0 minutes. And it's obviously not 0 minutes, but the line does end right there. So it is going to be a very short wait, especially if you use the single rider line. Even though there do seem to be a lot of people here, wait time for Yukon is only 10 minutes. Amazing. But is it really 10 minutes? Seems to be a lot of people in the line. Now on Yukon Striker, this is what I call the last hurrah. It is probably the most underwhelming part of the ride, and it happens right at the end. What do we think about the last hurrah? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I guess I can see why it was so dead in the other areas, because everyone's at Alpenfest. The wait time for Alpenfury is saying it's 60 minutes for the standby queue and only 5 minutes for the fast pass queue. 60 minutes for the standby queue? I don't know about that. There are a lot of people in the human zoo. Were you in line for Alpenfury today? How long did you wait? Let me know in the comments. So on Alpenfury, we are familiar with the one goat, but now there is a second goat. And not only that, but all the way up there, there is a third goat. The wait time for Leviathan right now is 45 minutes. It's not so bad, not so good either. However, the line only goes down to there. So actually, I think it's probably much less than 45 minutes. I was probably only like a 20-minute wait, maybe even 15. And word to the wise, the air quality is absolutely terrible today. If you're planning on coming down to the park, I would definitely recommend wearing a face mask. I can already feel it starting to tickle my throat. It's kind of giving me like a bit of a heaviness, this smoky air. It's no good. All right, so it's been about 45 minutes. They got the second wing attached to that side of the fuselage, and it looks like they are working on putting the other wings on the other side. All right, it is simply too smoky out here for me to be here any longer, so we're gonna cap it right here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. And as always, thanks for watching.